Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, getting ready to do some walleye and smallmouth fishing. That is the target anyways. Was out probably 2 or 3 weeks ago and they were going crazy. So I should be able to find them again. So just getting everything ready here, making sure all the poles are ready to go. Probably be running the Lose Mach 2 most of the day with a jig head and minnow. Otherwise, I'll probably throw the Lee with a, I don't know, plastic or something. Walleye Assassin's been working pretty good out there, so I'll try those two options. Probably all I'll have to do. I'll do a lot of running and gunning, driving around, searching for them, casting at them, dropping it right on their head. That is my style of fishing, and that's what I find most enjoyable, so that's what I'll do. Maybe a little bit of jigging here or there, but that's kind of boring to me, so I like to run and gun, find them, and cast at them. So stay tuned. Should be a good day. I have a feeling I'm going to catch quite a bit, maybe a limit, but we'll see how she goes. Enjoy the video. Welcome to the boat, guys. This is a 2023 Tracker 18 walkthrough. I have a 12-inch Humminbird right here, a 9-inch Garmin 94, I think, and then a 106 at the front, 10-inch Garmin with the live scope on both. So 2 live scopes in here. If I need it, I'm not going to need it tonight. Otherwise, I can screen record from this one here, and then I will just be fishing with that one. But yeah, so there's a live scope pole there. I have everything on a C-Light. This works great. I love the pole system that they got. I'd recommend it. It is awesome. And then I have my Garmin up here, my 106. I'm gonna be getting a, I don't know, maybe the, what is it, the 86, so I can do helm and HDMI output in the fish house. So but I have this on a stowaway pole. It can go, I think, to 14 to 20, but I have it at the lowest setting. It's good enough for me when I'm on a chair. When I'm standing, I'll raise it up, but it'll do fine tonight. But absolutely love this. The holder, so when you're going over, driving it, you know, porting it, it's nice. Transferring it, it's nice. Having this down, I like this a lot. Or put it down in heavy waves, helps out a lot too. You just release it. Boom, that easy. Folds it away, that easy. And then the Minn Kota, it does work. 120, 36 volt. She puts some power in. But yeah, I think I'm ready to rock. Go to the bait shop and let's go catch some fish.
I love that sound.
You go to the bait fish, you find the bait fish, you'll find the big fish. There's some. 3 off the left. There's one. Okay, I'll go right here. There's one. There we go. Got him. Nice 17-incher. One for the box. That one's different. Oh yeah, take it. Come on. Got him. Pass. Nice smallmouth. Settle down, buddy. Slapping the bass. Eagle. One followed it down. Oh, he wants it. They're fighting. Got him. Littler one. Ooh, smallmouth. Nice smallie. They've been scared of it thus far. Got it. Ooh, big smallie. I missed him, I think. Go this way a bit. There's some on the bottom there. Got him. Nice one. Came off last second. Yeah, that happens sometimes when you're fishing by yourself. Pulled him. Too big anyways. 22, 23. There he is. Think he'll bite again? Another one for the frying pan. But we caught some smallmouth. We caught 2 keeper walleye. Lost a big one at the boat. Hooked off on a couple of them. So yeah, it's been a good night. They've been biting. Have to force them a little bit, but they've been biting. Mid-November, and we're still open water fishing, so can't complain. Probably the last weekend for it though. Ooh, 2 on me. I don't know how good that hook set was. Nice, big old small. You know, nice big old 2 3-pound smallmouth slapping the bass. We'll take it. Yeah! We'll take it. I think one more minnow and I'm gonna have to call her.
Right.
Boat flipping walleye, baby. Last one. Calling it.
We've seen